Your Cyber Monday wish list isn't complete without Rowenta Professional Steam Station. Discover why it's a top buy. Hey there, let me tell you about the Rowenta Professional Steam Station. With this steam powerhouse, you can save 24% on the Rowenta DG8624 Steam Station, the Rowenta Professional Clothes Iron, the Rowenta 1800-watt steam generator, the Rowenta Blue Steam Iron, and the Rowenta Stainless Steel Soleplate Iron. That's a fantastic deal. Imagine effortlessly gliding through wrinkles with the power of 1800 watts and the precision of a stainless steel sole plate. This steam station is a game changer for tackling laundry day like a pro. Say goodbye to stubborn creases and hello to crisp, fresh garments in no time. Whether you're a seasoned ironing pro or a newbie, this blue beauty will make you feel like a pro. So why not upgrade your ironing game and save 24% on the Rowenta Professional Steam Station? Trust me, your clothes will thank you. And here's a fun thought. Cyber Monday wouldn't be complete without Rowenta Professional Steam Station. It's my favorite pick this shopping season. This Cyber Monday, don't miss the chance to own Rowenta Professional Steam Station. Stock is limited, so get yours today. Save 24% today on this amazing product.